We went in at around 11:30.
So you think all the process is just like smoothly?
Yeah, smoothly.
Yeah.
We have just seen the pandas. It feels really good. We have not seen the pandas in our life. Of course, like if I see in the picture, it would be different, and if I see in the person live, that is completely outstanding experience.
嚟海洋公園有冇啲咩話特別想睇咁樣㗎？
熊貓咯，都幾可愛。
一直在睡觉，但不过它屁股对着我，感觉很想摸一下，很软。
熊貓經濟威力強勁，每逢假期海洋公園人頭湧湧，唔少中外遊客專程嚟探望大熊貓大家庭。海洋公園盛世成立咗家姐細佬後援會，俾契爸契媽一同見證家姐細佬嘅暴風式成長。
帶小朋友睇熊貓，啱啱睇完啦。我覺得熊貓好得意咯，但係比我想象中大隻。
我哋頭先睇到佢好驚險啊，家姐，即係佢好好奇，即係真係好似消防員咁爬到好高，跟住咧有幾下咧係見佢就跌咁咯，即係搞到我哋有啲驚心動魄嘅嗰個感覺啦，即係我哋好開心嘅都。